So Facebook just used AI to unlock a cheat code to making 6 and 7 figures with Facebook ads. You're not going to want to miss this video. Now, before we jump into it, be sure to share this video with people that are struggling with Facebook ads. Be sure to share this video with people who want to level up their brand and take it to the next level. Be sure to subscribe to our channel because we're continuously dropping tips and techniques to scale your brand to 6 and 7 figures, y'all, okay? Now, as some of you know, the key to making money with Facebook and Instagram ads has a lot to do with the visuals that you put out there. It's all about the creative. I don't care if you have the best strategies in the world, if you have the best targeting in the world, if you have your target audience down to a T. If the visual is not making people want to click on that link, then it does not matter. I've literally seen brands fall flat on their face because they failed to understand this and spent thousands and thousands of dollars trying to tweak the targeting, but the one thing that they failed to tweak was the visual. Now, I know how it is. As a creative, as an entrepreneur, a lot of times we struggle to create the best type of visual content for our ads. It's like we can't get the words and the visuals to match up with the target audience, and you know, sometimes it seems super complicated. I know a lot of businesses that are struggling with just that, but that's where Facebook just came in and absolutely changed the game when it comes to AI and advertising. Now, Facebook just created a revolutionary new software called Image Bind. Image Bind allows you to take different modalities and create content from it. Now, I know that probably sounds a little complicated and maybe even a little bit weird, but I'm about to make it make a lot of sense for you, okay? Now, what Image Bind allows you to do is it allows you to find an image and combine it with a sound. And what it'll do is it'll take that image and that sound and it'll create a new visual from it. So for instance, let's say that you find a picture of a train and you add the sound of a crowd of people. Image Bind will combine those particular modalities and it'll create numerous different creatives of a train with a crowd of people, whether it be at a subway or a train stop. It'll predictively create this content for you. Now, if you don't understand how game-changing that is, think about this, okay? Think about the times where you couldn't necessarily find the right visuals to use because your brand is so unique, and anytime you tried to tell a photographer or a videographer your vision, it fell flat because you couldn't necessarily get those words out to actually get them to portray what it is that you wanted. Image Bind solves that problem because all you have to do is add little bits and pieces and it'll give you a bunch of different creatives that you can now use for your advertising, y'all. Because remember, if the visual isn't lit, then you're not going to get any sales. But with this tool, this little tweak in your ads can be next level to you actually generating 6 and 7 figures. Literally, we've created visuals that have made us over 6 figures a year off of one visual. So finding the right visual is essential to you leveling up your brand. And I'm gonna actually show you a demo right now how this works. All right, guys, so this is how it works, okay? So let's say that you have an image and you want to generate some audio from that image. Check this out. Let's just say we got an image of a tiger here and we want to get some tiger audio. All you have to do is input the image into Image Bind. So let's say we got a tiger here. When you do that, the AI will automatically generate the sound of a tiger. Check this out. That's wild. That's wild. Think about the possibilities with it. This is crazy. All right. Now, the next thing Image Bind does is it can take an audio wave file or an audio file and it can generate an image from that audio. So for instance, let's say you want to select an audio of birds singing. Let's say that's that. Sounds like some seagulls to me. But when you click it, or when you input that into Image Bind, it's going to give you images of the bird that it detects. Okay? So now here's the images that is generated. Now, as AI continues to learn, this is going to get even more next level. Like, imagine you creating a sentence, like saying a sentence, and then AI generating that image, right? It's going to get really crazy, and this makes it a lot easier to come up with visuals that you actually want to use in your ad creative. That's going to spice things up so much for you, and that's going to allow you to get to your winning visual a lot quicker. And you know what happens when you get a winning ad and a winning visual combination that works, you can generate 6 to 7 figures easy. Now the next thing that it does is it'll take text and it'll create an image and audio. So check this out. So let's say I want drums, okay? Let's say I want drums. I want an image of drums and I want audio of drums too. You input it into the system and it'll create drum sounds, y'all. Crazy. But then it'll also generate the image as well. Okay, I want you to really wrap your mind around the possibilities around this, right? What about meowing? Okay, a meowing cat, it'll create the meow and then it'll create the images too, as well as trains. Like, this is crazy. Now the next one you can do is you can provide an audio as well as an image, and it'll create a new image for you. So check this one out. So let's just say you got a dog barking, plus you add an image of the beach. All right, what it'll generate for you is a dog at the beach. Let's say you have the sound of water pouring, plus you got some, looks like some apples there. What it's gonna generate is water pouring on apples, y'all. I want you to really wrap your mind around this and how this can change your business. Okay. Now, the next thing you can do is you can provide a piece of audio and it'll generate an image. So for instance, if we got an engine here, okay, it'll generate the image of looks like a boat there, a boat engine, right? If you got rain, it'll generate the image of the rain. So this is how ImageBind is going to work, y'all. And this is going to be absolutely crazy for your business. Remember, you want the competitive advantage. The beauty of AI is that you can use AI as an additional employee without having to pay them, right? And this is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So definitely tap into AI. Y'all, AI is absolutely the future. You can see things beginning to change day by day, and it's going to continue to move faster. So you have to stay on the forefront of what's hot, because that's going to give you the competitive advantage against all your other competition that's not doing it. All right, so keep it locked to RFA. There's going to be some links in the description for you to check out. We got challenges going on. We got a bunch of different material that you can dive into to learn more about this amazing stuff. And go ahead and drop a comment. Let us know how you're going to be utilizing this feature when it comes to you using more creatives to get more customers and make a whole lot of money. All right, with that being said, I'm out of here. Peace and love.